Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Ayla Muscara. I am 36 years old and I'm college level with a Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I am a single mother with one son. He's 13 years old now. I am an ex-abroad in Singapore. My first employer was a Chinese and I'm working for them for 1 year and 6 months. I am look after this child, 3 years old, and I'm also do cooking and general house chores, marketing, and grocery. And my second employer was a Chinese too. I've been working for them for 6 years. My responsibility doing work there is my main is cooking. At the same time, I'm doing also a general house chores, grocery and marketing. I'm doing also a car wash. I want to work again in Singapore for my son. I am independent woman. I am trustworthy and I am kind, patient. I have a patience and I know how to manage my time in my work. I hope that I can work again in Singapore for my son. Thank you. Have a good day.